Hello? Hello? I will get you guys bunny foot. You. Hi, kids. I'm a kidnap you. You. Get in the van. There's a man. Build. Hello? Are you there? Oh my gosh.
Come back here.
Taekwondo move. Put it to 100, Liam.
I'm trying. It's getting lobat by itself.
Wow, naisip na.
But Daddy, I will eat ramen.
Oh, you move. You get outside.
But Daddy,
Yeah.
I eat ramen.
You be AFK. You stay there, be AFK now.
Eating the bunny food. Eating the bunny food in the house.
Liam, you just be AFK there, ah. I'll be the one who gets those six. Eh? Liam, do you love ramen?
Separate. Separate.
What is drinking swimming?
Ew! Why is he drinking swiwi?
I don't know. Disgusting.
Prepare for the
Ew.
meat to kuya.
Ew!
Disgusting. So,
What
coffee
did
takes
sushi
away
do,
with
Liam? What did sushi
soul.
do? Liam, what did sushi do?
Nani, di ba you're playing ramen, 99 nights in the
Liam,
forest?
can you give it to me? It's robot mode.
But
Can you
but,
open it on
I'm
its robot
eating
mode?
ramen 99 nights in the
And then turn it on again. When it's robot mode, do not use it. You have to on and off it because it might get
Mama. Okay, enough.
Mali
It's too
soda,
much beef.
mali soda.
Nabag-upos it.
I know that. Never won't stop. Mali soda pa.
Oh no, I only have one. But wait, I have one seaweed.
Hello?
But I said two seaweed. Hello!
Hello? 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 Liam, are you here or not yet?
Not yet. I'm still eating ramen.
Liam, how much do you like ramen? 100% or 1 million trillion quadrillion infinite percent?
I like it infinite percent.
Hi, Moon. boys. What? Baby is the leader. It's not leader. It's not leader.
Ha?
Stop copying me. Stop copying me. I'm not copying you. Hello? Stop copying me. Stop! Stop copying me. Hey. Hello? Hello? I'm happy. How about you? Why are you not happy? I will shout kill you.
The green one.
The green one, I like the green one.
To make you happy. Do you want more seaweed?
Huh? Squid Game seaweed.
Yeah. You like it?
You want Squid Game seaweed?
Danny! Yeah?
Danny, I have Squid Game seaweed in my house.
How?
I don't know who buy it.
Remove it. If you don't like it.
Liam, hurry up or be slow.
Eat it together. That's why. You eat it whole.
Because I ate slow.
Part of the ramen. You eat it. Oh, you eat it.
Audrey, you're so
Di yan
arty.
eating ito.
Why is Audrey so arty, Liam? It's just ano.
Because
Hmm.
there's green leaves.
Yeah,
And
green
also-
leaves is a part of the ramen.
Yeah, it's tasty, diba?
Yeah, yummy. So yummy.
I like it.
Yummy, yummy. Let's eat.
Good. Only
Green leaves.
Yeah, tastes good.
you will get well if you eat it.
It's all not for you or so that no more,
This one more. This one more. This other arte of this hotel.
Yeah, you eat it. Oh, look. Oh, kuya, eat it. Oh.
Yeah, Audrey, that part is yummy, Audrey.
Next time we will remove that, ha?
Oo,
Hindi yan ano, ha?
Expensive.
Next time,
Kaya
Liam, ha?
naman yan ako yun.
Ha?
Kay kuya rin yun ako.
Yung,
Yung pagkain mo.
kuya, ha?
Liam,
I
I'm
also
gonna die.
put this. Ha? What? It put the game.
No, you eat first.
Put the game.
Yeah, you have to eat food in the game first.
There. There. I am in. I'm halfway full.
Part of the ramen. Pwede na spirami.
Hi, Willie. Good morning. How are you?
Ram.
I'm fine. How are you?
Ramen has like this. No, has like this, baby. Mommy.